Imagine opening your score report and seeing the number you've been working toward. A score that can open doors to stronger college options, bigger scholarship opportunities, and real confidence about what comes next. This isn't just about a test. It's about feeling ready for the future you want. For a lot of students, the challenge isn't effort. It's not knowing what to study first, what to fix next, or whether all that work is actually paying off. So prep starts to feel overwhelming. One week you're motivated, the next you're guessing. That's where SATprep1600.com comes in. It's a smarter SAT prep platform built to meet you where you are and guide you forward step by step. Instead of a one-size-fits-all plan, it adapts as you improve so your next move is always clear. That means less confusion, better focus, and a prep experience that finally feels organized. SATprep1600.com builds personalized study plans around your strengths, your gaps, and your goals. You get expert-crafted questions and intelligent recommendations that help you spend time where it matters most. And with real-time analytics, you can actually see your progress and adjust before small weaknesses turn into bigger score losses. When your prep is personalized, you stop wasting time on the wrong material and start building momentum faster. You see clearer progress, build stronger study habits, and feel more confident every time you practice. Students using the right strategy can make the kind of score gains that once felt out of reach, not because they're cramming harder, but because they're preparing smarter. And when progress becomes visible, belief starts to grow right along with the score. Your goals are real, and your potential is real too. Sign up now for free SAT coaching at SATprep1600.com and take the next step toward your best score.